Hey there guys, if you're getting this message, then I am dead. Sorry, no, not dead. I've had a baby, and that means that I'm incredibly excited and happy, but I'm not going to be uploading videos to this channel for a little while for obvious reasons. Or rather, I'm not going to be uploading new videos. I've created quite a few, which I'm hoping to upload slowly in a kind of pipeline, but some of them might need tweaking, and I just can't tell you for sure right now how my video uploading schedule is going to be. I'm on a 2.5 week paternity leave, so if videos slow down, then please bear with me. I will be back soon. In the meantime, you can also check out the blog where I'll be uploading lots of posts as per usual. Also, you can now buy Bioneer t-shirts. I'll be leaving the link in the description down below. You can also get tank tops, and I'll be adding hoodies and other merchandise there soon. A lot of you guys asked we could get Bioneer merchandise, so if you want to support the channel and if you want to be a Bioneer, then check that out. I'll also be putting the links on the website over at thebioneer.com. Also, as always, exclusive content over at patreon.com. Thank you so much to all of you who are already supporting me over there. And I'll be doing some shout outs in future videos, as well as maybe some giveaways and some free content. So check it out again if you'd like to support the channel that way. Also, as some of you know, I've been working on a book called Thriving in the Gig Economy, where I talk about how to work online, how to learn online, become a digital polymath, how to build a business and travel and lifestyle design. And if that's something you're interested in, if you've liked any of my videos previously on that kind of stuff, then again, I'll leave the link in the description down below. The digital version is already available to buy, and if you want the print version, that'll be available in the next few months, but you can pre-order it right now, so you'll have it just after Christmas. Also, something that's very cool, it has a foreword by Cold Fusion to GoGo Altrade, who I've worked with in the past. Thanks a ton for all your support, guys, and I hope that I can upload enough content for you. Sorry if I'm a bit quiet, but I just also wanted to say thank you so much for all your congratulations and well wishes at this time. I really appreciate it. You guys are all super supportive, and as always, you've helped to grow this channel to be an awesome success. We're now over 60,000 subscribers, and I'm aiming for 100,000 halfway into next year. Let's see if we can make that happen. So thanks a ton for watching, guys, and stay tuned. More is on the way. I might just be quiet for a little while. Thanks a ton for watching. Bye for now.